Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the basic commands in Kali Linux and how to use it. So open up your virtual box or your Oracle Virtual Box and power up Kali Linux by clicking the start button or double click on this icon right here. I'll just click on start and by now it should start up. It says powering up your VM and click on switch. The virtual machine window will now be switched to full screen mode. You can go back to windowed mode at any time by pressing the host plus F. Host is the right control in your keyboard. So click on switch and it will be it will just turn on the full screen mode in your Linux for your Linux operating system. Let's just wait for a minute. It should turn on by now. It says mouse integration. Let's just close this for now. Everything is working, my mouse and keyboard. So I'll just give it the username which we have assigned, which is Kali Linux. Just click enter. And after this it should boot up the device. It might take some time, like around 5 seconds. I don't know why this is happening, but it will. Let's click on view and click on full screen mode. Yep, now it's powered up. If you want it in full screen mode, click on view and click on full screen mode, or into the seamless mode, which is host is for the right control. And just click on this and it says switch. So now that it's switched into the full screen mode, you can start using your operating system like how you use your Windows operating system. So now let's go to the upper left corner and you can just take a look at the terminal. Just click on terminal, and now this is the terminal where we'll be working most of the time to run the operating system, to run the commands and to just use it. And there are some of the basic commands like ls for listing all the directories in your OS in Kali Linux, which is home. It's just like a Windows 10 or a MacBook. It has a good user interface. The best part is that, and it has all the tools which is inbuilt in Linux. It has the usual applications like information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, database assessment, and much more. Wireless attacks, password attacks. These are the tools for the password attacks, like word lists, and you have John the Reaper and stuff like that. So this is your this is like the My Computer. Like in Windows, you have the file system, the hard disk, and then you have trash, which is the recycle bin. It's just like Windows with a good UI and inbuilt tools for your penetration testing and ethical hacking. So this is one of the basic command, ls for listing, and iwconfig to look at your IP, or if there are any kind of wireless network adapters, and ifconfig, I think it is to look at your IP, and if you type just it is to look at your network adapter, which I have not connected. If you just type clear, it's going to clear everything. Yeah, these are some of the basic commands, and this is the terminal. In the next video, we'll just start our attack on Wi-Fi, or we'll be taking a look at the Tor browser and how to increase our anonymity in the next video. And then we have one more command like cp//help, which just lists out all the type of all the symbols or the letters and their functions. I mean, you cannot read this. These are some of the basic commands. If you want to get into a directory, it even has that also has a command like cd/home/ to get into a directory. home, and you can list the number of files in that particular directory. If you want to go back from the directory, you can just type cd dot dot and it'll get back to your directory, and you can just clear the terminal. And here you have view and you have preferences where you can change the transparency of the terminal, and and you can change some other stuff like behavior. It has shortcuts, all the shortcuts for your terminal, and it has a drop down menu also. So this is just the basic stuff. In the next video we'll install the Tor browser and start using Kali Linux. Yep, I'll see you in the next video.